gonna tell you a bit about myself. I am an insanely high-strung person. I also consume way too much caffeine. And also, CES is incredibly stressful. This is a crazy stressful job, and this is the most stressful time of year for a tech journalist. So when it came time to dole out assignments, the first thing I wanted to do was go check out Core. It is a device that's supposed to help you meditate, and it is launching tomorrow for $169. This was basically my one opportunity to get a few minutes of silence at the biggest tech show of the year. Physically, the device is pretty simple, but really quite attractive. The base is rosewood, the top is a clean white plastic, and on the top of that is ECG sensors. Now, you might think that the physical design and appearance isn't that important, but the company wants you to feel comfortable leaving it out on your desk or your nightstand as a constant reminder that you should take some time to take care of your mental health and wellness. While some apps might resort to nagging push notifications, and the company does say that there will be notifications coming at some point, they think a more effective way of getting you to meditate and build that habit is to just be there as a constant background reminder, as opposed to rely on notifications that we've all been trained to dismiss, like so many PR pitches in the lead up to CES. Of course, it is not just a physical device, there is a companion app as well. And there is a free version of the app that you can use along with the device, but there is a subscription if you want to get a little bit deeper. That is $10 a month, or if you buy it annually, it is just $5 a month. Inside the app, you'll find guided meditations, breathing exercises, and simple soundscapes to help you focus on your meditation. The device, as you hold it, when it launches into one of these things, vibrates slowly and in sync with the actual course or class that you're taking. As I sat there and I held it and took 3 minutes of time to try and focus on myself and my breathing, it vibrated stronger as it said to take a deep breath in, and then paused momentarily and vibrated strongly to let me know to breathe out. And it shook very slightly the entire time you hold it, giving you something to focus on. If you've ever taken a meditation course before, they'll often tell you to focus on the feeling of your breath in your chest. This is just another way to get you to focus your attention on something. Now, at the end of one of these meditation sessions, you're going to get a whole host of data handed over to you. The app is certainly taking cues from the Fitbits of the world and our insane need to quantify absolutely everything in our lives. So you'll see a rating for your focus, for your calm, and all of this is based on the data that the ECG collects. But you'll also see more raw information like your heart rate over time and your heart rate variability, which gives you a pretty good idea of how stressed you are, and you're probably seeing that data on screen right now, which tells you I am super stressed. Of course, Core is just the latest device in an increasingly crowded market of apps and gadgets that are focused on wellness and mental health. And it's going to have a pretty big challenge ahead of it going against established players like Headspace. But anything that's going to encourage people to take about 5 minutes, breathe, and tune out the chaos of the world is pretty much a winner in my book. For more of the latest tech news and everything from CES that you need to know about, check out Engadget.com and, of course, hit that subscribe button.